Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 35. Reluctance. I lingered by the edge of the woods, boots half on the path, half in the grass, unsure if I wanted to step forward. The morning air was crisp, carrying the scent of wet leaves and distant smoke, and I hesitated, feeling the tug between duty and comfort. Birds flitted overhead, calling to each other as if daring me to move. I sighed, hands in pockets, staring at the winding trail that led past familiar hills and open fields. Part of me wanted to stay, to savor quiet and warmth. Yet another part whispered that life waits for no one. Finally, I took a step, then another, letting the soft rhythm of walking guide me. With each pace, the weight of hesitation eased, and I realized that reluctance is not weakness. It is the prelude to courage, measured and patient, teaching that moving forward is often slower than the heart wishes, but steadier than fear allows. Now listen to the poem. I linger at the forest's edge, morning air scents, earth and hedge. Boots hesitate, path winds near, birds call softly, urging clear. Hands in pockets, heart unsure, comfort whispers, duty pure. Step by step, weight drifts away, reluctance softens into day. Courage grows, slow and small, measured steps answer fear's call. Hills and fields stretch out ahead, quiet lessons softly spread. Moving forward, slow, precise, steady heart learns its own device.